Cliff takeoff right across the roof.
26 Cliff takeoff right across the roof. Okay, whiskey, thanks.
Alright, clear. Down the runway, clear. Right crosswind is approved. We'll go to 35, and that should take us pretty good. Clear of terrain up to Fillmore. Mixture, oops, recirc mode is off. 1,000, 2, 3, 1,000, 4 full power. Right rudder, airspeed's already alive, instruments in the green, more than 2,600 RPMs, fuel flow, oil pressure, all temp in the green.
945 Echo, frequency change group.
Switching, Close Echo.
Crosswind there. Alright, it's positive rate above 85, above a positive 50-foot obstacle, flaps coming up. Right crosswind. It's clear, right's clear. Caps available. Scanning for traffic.
Whiskey, frequency change group, yeah.
Thanks, we'll see you. Camrillo Tower.
Alright, clear. Alright, checklist. On power set, flaps is up, verified. Mixture, top of the green arc for the climb. Engine looks good, fuel pump on for the climb.
Cirrus 700, Kilo Whiskey, Van Nuys, altimeter 2976, squawk is 0202, and a right base runway 16 right, report 3 miles.
Alright, right base 16 right, report 3 miles, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
Number 5216, Lima, Van Nuys, are you on? 73 November Yankee, visual, 20 right, park in Lacey. Cirrus 900 Kilo Whiskey, number 2, follow Gulfstream 11, becoming 12 o'clock, 3 miles, 3,100 indicated, report in sight.
Alright, number 2, following Gulfstream, we're Gulfstream in sight, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
Cirrus 900 Kilo Whiskey, maneuver to follow number 2, caution wake turbulence, 11408, runway 16 right, clear to land. Keep your speed up in trail of them. You're inside of a jet on a 11 mile funnel.
Alright, we'll keep our speed up behind the Gulfstream. We're landing behind the Gulfstream, 16 right, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
Van Nuys Tower, Cirrus 551 to Golf. New Hawk, I'm sorry.
November 173, November Yankee, Van Nuys Tower, number 1, runway 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, 3 November Yankee.
Alright, mixture.
Van Nuys Tower, Archer 8903 Charlie, hold short.
Below 150, 50.
Take off for right cross at departure.
Number 8903 Charlie, Van Nuys Tower, keep it rolling around the corner without delay, runway 16 right, clear for immediate takeoff, traffic 3 mile funnel, Gulfstream.
Archer 16 right, clear for takeoff, no delay, 8903 Charlie. Nuys Tower, Cirrus 551 to Golf, Santa pass, inbound.
Cirrus 551, Sierra Golf, Van Nuys Tower, Van Nuys altimeter 2976, and a right base runway 16 right.
Right base 16 right, 1 Golf.
Cirrus 900 Kilo Whiskey, turn right, cut the corners, direct numbers, best speed inbound.
Direct numbers, best speed inbound, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
Cessna 900 Juliet.
He trying to get me in there, bro.
The next one's going to
This
be...
is this is gonna be interesting.
900 Juliet.
Number 900 Juliet, roger.
If you want to just break me off,
51900 Juliet, contact...
we can do that, man. I can't... These guys trying to have me approaching at Airbus speeds here.
900 Kilo Whiskey, change to runway 16 left now. Runway 16 left, continue. The other tower will give you your landing clearance. Contact them now on 120.2.
Alright, change it 16 left over to 22, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
Van Nuys Tower, for 16 left, requesting a full stop.
I don't even see that jet he's trying to get me in on. Alright, let me stay above this guy's wake.
900 Juliet.
Van Tower, good afternoon, Cirrus 79 Kilo Whiskey, 16 left.
79 Kilo Whiskey, Van Tower, wind 160 at 9er, right, 16 left, put on.
16 left, clear land, 79 Kilo Whiskey. Final's clear.
99 Julius, Squawk 0251, follow Cirrus 2 mile final, port 7 set.
Altitude.
Altitude, yes, yes, yes.
Squawking 0251, following the Cirrus, not in sight yet, 9er Juliet.
My man was trying to have me approaching Airbus speeds here, man, for 16 right. It's a longer taxi, but hey, it's at least we're not rushing here. And
Cirrus 9 Kilo Whiskey, be prepared for a possible go around.
We'll be prepared for that, 79 Kilo Whiskey. Traffic in sight, 9er Juliet.
9 Juliet, following a Cirrus 1 mile final, traffic 5 mile final, parallel runway phenom jet, cause for turbulence. Multiple jets departing on the parallel runway, cause for turbulence. Wind 1608, 16 left, number 2, clear for the option.
For the option, 16 left, 9er Juliet.
Cirrus 9 Kilo Whiskey, go around.
500.
Go around, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
alright, above 85, positive rate, 50-foot obstacle, flaps up. Pitch, 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 pitch.
Cirrus 9 Kilo Whiskey, turn left 10 degrees.
Left 10, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
Cirrus 9 Whiskey, turn left crosswind.
Left crosswind, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
Watch the
Traffic, 4 o'clock.
stay coordinated here.
Less than 1 mile. Traffic, 4 o'clock. Low, less than 1 mile.
Wind 1508. Cirrus 9 Whiskey, extend down one bit.
I'll extend down 79 Kilo Whiskey.
We're getting pushed way off the traffic pattern here. We should be over the freeway. And we're fast as hell. Alright, left side.
Low, 1 mile.
Pattern altitude is 1800, so we'll amend this to 18.
Wind 1608.
And we'll keep this speed. What did I tell you guys earlier? Nothing goes according to plan. Very rarely. Especially in this busy SoCal airspace, so you gotta be prepared for the craziness always.
Cirrus 9 Kilo Whiskey, traffic 5 mile final for the parallel runway Challenger jet. Turn base, wind 16 left, clear for the option. That's include on.
Alright, we're turning base now, look for the traffic, and we are clear land, 16 left, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
I got the...
And we have the Challenger in sight, 79 Kilo Whiskey.
We don't want to encroach on his approach path there, so...
Do it, hold, short start, main the 6C.
Clear, clear.
16 right, 9er Juliet.
Altitude.
Alright, flaps 50 coming out. Alright, Gelms checks, gas, undercarriage mixture. Lights, switches.
Right base for runway 16 left. Sky gets about to 16 Van Tower, following a Cirrus 1 mile final. Wind 1806, 16 left, number 2. Clear for the option, after the option, road flood base, make left, close traffic.
Alright, flaps 100.
We're going to be a full stop for 5
Telling you, man,
500.
very rarely does it go according to exactly how you wanted it to go.
16 right at Gulf, switching to ground, 9er Juliet.
At least we got to show you guys the RNAV going into Camarillo, so that was cool. Got a little holdover in Fillmore, even though we couldn't use the VOR. We identified with the GPS, so that was cool. And regular landing here at Van Nuys, as regular as this can get.
Runway.
Yep, check runway, and we are verifying 16 left. We've been changed, we didn't reprogram it. Gusty or else.
Minimums.
Continue. Obviously that was for 16 right. Smooth. We're not gonna force golf. Let's just go to Foxtrot.
Cirrus 9 Whiskey, turn left to the anchor to ground, point 7, see you.
Left over the ground, we'll see the 79 Kielski.
Juliet, actually. Foxtrot's the other side.
Wind 160 to
75 number 1 for runway 167.
Okay, 160, you're the only aircraft now. 16 left.
Thanks for watching, as always. We'll come back with some more instrument stuff, and until then, keep the blue side up. We'll see you.